Final video to fix low quality in SCRCPY for both wired and wireless versions. Are you tired of blurry screens and laggy streams while mirroring your phone? This happens because SCRCPY compresses a video by default, and many settings don't optimize the resolution properly, making it hard to see your phone clearly on PC. Most guides on YouTube or social media show long commands or confusing tweaks that are tough to follow, but today on Rexist, I'll share a simple secret trick that instantly boosts your quality without messing with complicated setups. All you need is a tiny change in the SCRCPY command line for wired connections and a small adjustment in the bitrate for wireless streaming, and your screen will look crisp and smooth. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on exactly what to type and where to click, comment below and Rexist will show you everything in detail, making SCRCPY fast, clear, and easy for anyone to use.